My name's Phil Cracknell. I'm CISO for a UK defence organisation back in London. Oh, it was fantastic to be part of GISEC 2024. Absolutely pivotal. I've been preparing for it. I've always enjoyed conferences in the Middle East since back in the 90s when I used to come to the MITSEC conference. So many exciting topics, so many exciting stages. Really important. I've been mapping the whole year out ready for this. So my experience has been great. The people are so interactive, the audience are so interactive, they're engaging, they're listening, they're asking the right questions. I finished an academy session yesterday. I've done the critical infrastructure stage just now, and of course the main stage earlier this morning, and in each case, a really engaged audience. Awesome.